This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening MIT App Inventor and creating a new project named for your assistant. Connect your device or emulator so you can test live. Add a vertical arrangement and drag in a clock component, speech recognizer, and text-to-speech extension. These are core. Once done, set clock. Timer enabled false and configure screen 1 orientation. You do this now because live testing catches logic errors early. Make sure to save the project frequently to avoid losing blocks. You wire button triggers to start speech recognizer. Get text, then use the after getting text event to parse user words. Break phrases into keywords and use nested if-then blocks to map intents like time, name, or search. Once you detect an intent, call text to speech. Speak with a constructed response. Include brief confirmations so the user knows what happens next. Use TinyDB to persist a username or settings. This enables personalized replies and faster flows on future sessions. You finish by testing complete interactions end-to-end, exercising both expected and unexpected inputs. Tune keyword matching and add fallback prompts for unclear speech so the assistant asks follow-up questions instead of failing. Adjust text-to-speech rate and pitch for natural delivery. Disable clock only after responses complete. If things go wrong, check the debug label and use TinyDB values to isolate state issues. Reproduce the failing phrase, then add a conditional to handle it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.